Okay, I received these prototype pads from Chris Clark up in Bay Area. This is the prototype, not the finished type that you guys are going to get. Chris has put the very good 3M backing tape on this, but I use Velcro. I basically put Velcro all along on my shell, and then I put Velcro on this guy. That way I can adjust it to exactly where I want it. If you use the 3M tape, once you stick it, then you're kind of out of luck if it's not in the right position. What you can do is go ahead and peel off the 3M that Chris puts on the back, and then go ahead, stick your Velcro over the top of that 3M tape. It works just fine. And then you can put it to wherever you want. There. And that's it. I'm gonna test it out now and add it to this video. See you in a bit. Okay, I did my tests and here's what I think. I feel it is much easier to jump with this set than my other pads. I feel more locked in. It is comfortable. It is easy on the legs if you go with shorts, and your pedals actually do close, whereas with these guys I have to put them so low in order to lock in my feet, and I can't close the pedals. Once your foot is in there, this part is basically over your ankle around here, versus with these it would end up being at the front. To jump, I can't really jump, but I found it effortless with these ones versus these guys. And braking, hard braking, it did really good job. With these I have to move or lean a lot back in order to use this, but with that it is right by my calf. And as far as the front part, again, I don't have to move as much to hit it. It is right by my legs. I like it. I'm gonna go and ride trails with it, but the little I just tried, it is very good. I do recommend them. So far, they have been the best pads I have used.